It's the franchise 57. This is my 2014 Ford F-150 Xlt. I'm thinking about selling it. I'll do a trade-in. I bought this truck back in December of 2014 from Sonny King Ford in Anniston, Alabama. I did a payment for 6 months. The truck price was $30,000. My brother and I put the running boards on. That was a lot of fun. And also, my brother Dwayne put this on to carry boats, things like that. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing a trade-in or sell it. If I do a trade-in, I'll trade in for Ford F-150 Lariat. I just want up-to-date vehicles. Like I had a 2005 Buick Century. I sold that to my friend a long time ago. And I got a 2018 Chevrolet Impala Premier. I just love up-to-date vehicles, really. I'm gonna buy a Bentley Flying Spur, a Bentley GT, a Maserati Ginobili, a McLaren. I'm just speaking to existence. But yeah, think about selling this. If you're an Auburn fan, press that subscribe button and notification bell. If you're not an Auburn fan and you like the videos that I posted in the past, press that subscribe button and notification bell. I'm trying to get back into the YouTube thing because I had a whole bunch of fun doing it. I know I haven't did videos in a long time. But yeah, I'll think about that Bentley though. I want that car since Pimp C rapped about it a long time ago. But hopefully I'll get it. Press that subscribe button though for the franchise 57.